In the forestry and woodworking sectors, the exceptional performance of the fastest large-sized woodcutters operates at an unprecedented level. Join me in watching the entire video to see their effectiveness. The chainsaw effortlessly cuts through a 7-foot-tall giant redwood tree in California, representing the ideal blend of power and control with modern technology. This advanced chainsaw has cutting capabilities that easily handle the massive girth of redwood trees, operating seamlessly to emphasize the technological prowess needed for forestry work, delivering speed and precision in the challenging task of felling and processing these majestic giants. The Logosol B751 bandsaw mill is a powerful tool, effortlessly cutting through logs with precision. It can handle logs up to 75 centimeters in diameter and 4.8 meters in length, making it a game changer for wood processing. Its efficient and portable design makes it perfect for on-site milling, allowing logs to be turned into high-quality lumber right then and there. The B751 combines accuracy and speed, making it a valuable asset for both small-scale and professional woodworkers, easily transforming raw timber into finely crafted materials. The MS251 saw, a powerful tool for woodworking and firewood cutting, features an impressive 3.0 horsepower motor, making it the largest saw in the personal use category. With strong cutting capabilities, this chainsaw handles wood easily, ensuring efficiency and precision. The HF800 cone The Logosol F2 Farmer's Chainsaw is a portable machine that effortlessly processes logs up to 60 centimeters in diameter. Lightweight and easy to handle, it can be lifted and moved by hand. A 1-meter-long guide rail ensures precision. The chainsaw can be assembled and installed at home, in the garden, or even deep in the forest for efficient wood cutting in just a few minutes. With its user-friendly design, it's not just a tool, it's a flexible solution for easily treating wood as needed. The Xer 800L HD tree cutter is a formidable machine, weighing in at a total of 780 kilograms. With a cutting power reaching an impressive 400 millimeters diameter, it efficiently tackles trees of considerable size. Its robust design ensures durability and stability during operation. This heavy-duty equipment not only showcases precision in tree cutting, but also highlights its capability to handle substantial workloads. the Stihl MS-251 chainsaw, with its 18-inch bar, effortlessly cuts through oak trees, demonstrating its precision in forestry work. Boasting a cutting speed of around 13,000 RPM, this chainsaw effectively harvests oak wood, guaranteeing productivity and accuracy. Its ergonomic design and advanced technology make it a dependable option for professional loggers and hobbyists alike. The portable nature of chainsaws makes them indispensable for both professional loggers and homeowners, offering a versatile tool for various applications in tree maintenance and woodcraft. The Hackey-Pilk 55 Pro is expertly designed for efficient firewood processing in a professional setting, developed in close collaboration with firewood experts globally. This firewood facility effortlessly transforms robust 55-centimeter logs into top-quality firewood, boasting a remarkable splitting capacity of 40 tons per hour. Meticulously engineered, it embodies a seamless blend of advanced technology and practical expertise, rendering it an essential tool for individuals operating in the firewood industry. Chainsaws help with disaster preparedness by allowing proactive tree management, reducing risks during extreme weather events, and lessening the impact of fallen trees on infrastructure. These versatile machines and tools have developed over time, integrating advanced features like ergonomic designs, enhanced fuel efficiency, and improved safety mechanisms. Let us know which chainsaw you think is the quickest. Show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. We'll catch you in the next video.